Hi everyone, Jeff Teague, Fred Anderson, Toyota here. I'd like to show you an option on the 2020 Toyota Sienna that helps folks with mobility. This is the 2020 Toyota Sienna XLE with the auto access seat. There are two ways to operate the auto access seat. You can use the buttons on the side of the seat that move the seat back, forward, and lower, and then this middle one moves the seat forward and backward, and then this one is what swivels your seat, lowers the back of the seat, and then lowers it for you so that you can get out, and it does the reverse function. You also have the lowering and raising function on this remote control. So let me show you how easy this is to use. I'll be our demo person today. We're gonna just I'm going to finish using the remote control here so you can see both ways of doing it. Pay no attention to the plane coming overhead. They've got business to do too. Now what I'll do is we're going to go back up. So I'll start using this remote. You just have to keep it depressed. And then I'll finish this function up with this button right here on the side of the seat. It's very smooth, it's comfortable. It should make it very easy for the person doing it, or if you're needing to help somebody do it, it's very simple and an easy process. There we go. Thanks so much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. Please contact us at Fred Anderson Toyota if you're interested in the auto access Sienna or any of our Sienna vehicles. Also, any Toyota model. It's very easy to do business here in Raleigh, North Carolina. Whether you live in North Carolina or any other state in the US, it's super simple. It'll be a truly exceptional process. Please subscribe to our Fred Anderson Toyota YouTube channel. Just click subscribe and then click that notification bell. That way you'll be notified when you get one of our next Toyota news, reviews, and how-to videos. We'd love to have you on board, joining our channel. Thank you guys so much. See you next time.